Customer platform, it's time to start the day. Discover all the value you already own. Don't let solutions slip away. Wake up, customer platform. The tools are at your hand. No need to sleep on capabilities that can help your business stand. The answer's right before your eyes. You just need to realize. Wake up, customer platform. And watch your business rise. Wake up, wake up. The platform's waiting for you. Wake up, wake up. See what your system can do.
Good morning, HubSpot Nation. It's time to wake up customer platform with your unofficial HubSpot updates morning show, where we help you discover the platform value you already own. I'm Chris Carolan, joined by my co-hosts Casey Hawkins and George B. Thomas. We're here every weekday morning to make sure you're not sleeping on HubSpot's true capabilities. If you're joining live, drop a hello in the comments and let us know what you're building in HubSpot today. It's April 2nd, 2026. George, Casey, how does that make you feel?
Well, it's not April Fool's anymore, which is good, and I don't have to wear blue, and there's not posts about HubSpot acquiring Salesforce, and all of that madness is behind me, so I'm doing good. Casey, how you doing?
I'm fine. Yeah, April Fool's was really stressing George out yesterday. It was.
Yep. I'm getting too old for this crap, people.
One of my kids asked if April Fool's was all month, and I very quickly said no.
Absolutely
it is not.
Yeah, no, the best part is seeing all the posts the following day when almost everything doesn't make sense anymore, including the posts that are complaining about this day. But I'm going to stress George out in a different kind of way. As we look at 20 updates.
Did you see my face during the pre-show?
Gosh.
Chris, because there was a moment when I opened the page and...
Yeah, same. I opened the page and was like, good Lord.
And I haven't been here, so my page is 43.
Oh, that's true.
Oh, well, that's even more stressful.
We missed one day. So here we go. Map visualization for CRM index pages is back available. Sign up for the beta. Map View allows you to visualize your contacts and companies on an interactive map, helping you uncover location-based insights and make smarter decisions.
Why does it matter? Location data.
We're killing it already.
Location data often lives. I thought it was going to be longer. This matters because location data often lives in spreadsheets or requires exporting to external mapping tools, making it difficult to connect geographic patterns to your sales and marketing activities. MapView solves this by bringing location context directly into your CRM workflow. Targeted outreach, identify contacts near event locations and send targeted invitations. Territory optimization, understand customer concentration patterns and identify coverage gaps. And regional analysis, filter and analyze data by geographic region to uncover opportunities and trends.
I know we got a lot to go through, but I'm going to say this once because I've said it again. If you have a podcast and you do it in HubSpot, and you have people who actually tell you that they're like subscribers to the podcast, this gets very interesting to me when we think about like understanding the placement of said listeners or viewers.
Yes, indeed. And contacts and companies, that's where it's going to start. We know there's lots of other objects in HubSpot that have addresses
just a couple
on them, right? So head over to contacts and companies, click on the views and select map view. Yes, this is a real thing. And it works like the other mapping tools that you've seen
Yep.
in the market. And it's right next to the rest of your data set. So very good. And excited to see that one. Website revisit notifications are moving to email only.
Uh-oh.
This is sunset. Starting today, in-app revisit notifications for contacts and companies are being removed. You can still receive these notifications via email.
Why does it matter? Real-time alerts for every website visit were generating noise that made it harder to focus on high-impact work. Moving to email only means you can review visits activity at your own pace without constant interruptions.
It's full circle, ladies and gentlemen. In 2012, 2013, people thought this was the dopest ish ever. You mean I can sit there and there can be a flyout when they visit my, and now people are like, yo, I got stuff to do.
Yeah, I expect a wave of this over the next couple months. Yeah, let's make it a little less noisy, a little more intentional. Multi-campaign reporting.
There we go.
You can now report on multiple campaigns at once, viewing influence, contact, attribution, and asset data in aggregate. Use existing campaign custom views and folders to quickly view the performance of related campaigns. For example, parent-child or campaign hierarchies.
Why does it matter? Campaigns are often related to one another, region, date, product, segment. But there is no easy way to view that performance of related campaigns in aggregate. Until now, you had to either create custom dashboards or export their data into spreadsheet tools. Now, you can view campaigns in aggregate directly in the Campaigns and Marketing Studio apps. Additionally, you can couple this feature with custom views or folders to create hierarchies, sometimes referred to as parent-child.
This is super dope. I like this. Now, ladies and gentlemen, HubSpot users, just start using campaigns. That'd be great. That'd be great.
I was just in a portal last night where I was like, oh, let me attach this email to a campaign. And I was like, last campaign created 2022. And I was like, all right.
Actually, I don't know if
Literally.
that's the sound I
That was
would use. I
perfect
would,
timing.
yeah, I would probably be like, if I was in that portal, like, oh, what are we doing?
I was like, all right, a tale for another day.
Yep. Yeah.
Indeed. Man, we're going to need a campaigns focused show of some sort, I think. So
Yeah.
much to do there. So
Tons.
much to learn as well about the word campaign.
Oh,
What's
don't get me
WhatsApp
started.
coexistence enables customers to use WhatsApp Business app and HubSpot Inbox at the same time on the same WhatsApp business number without causing conflicts.
This matters because until now, you were not able to use WhatsApp outside of logging into the HubSpot app itself.
Nice.
Makes sense.
Yeah.
Quick note from Ankur here, from the Marketing Studio team. Don't sleep on one other rollout we had on Studio Campaigns, which is the ability to associate emails to multiple campaigns. And more assets coming soon. If you know, you know.
Ankur,
Let's go.
I did a campaign shout out just yesterday on the call-in show. So thank you for all your work, and I love you.
Yes.
Yes. Keep up the wonderful work.
Keep rocking and
Appreciate you.
rolling, my friend.
Assignment details enhancements. What is it? We've leveled up assignment details to deliver clearer, more structured, and more actionable explanations of how tickets are assigned in Help Desk. This update builds on the existing experience with a redesigned layout, step-by-step logic, and richer context, making it easier than ever to understand routing decisions in real time.
Why does it matter? For CX managers, visibility into routing decisions isn't just helpful, it's essential. With these improvements, you can instantly understand why a ticket was assigned the way it was, verify fairness across agents and teams, spot gaps in routing logic faster, reduce time spent debugging bugging and escalating issues, and build stronger trust in automation across your team. This turns assignment details from reference tools into a go-to source of truth for routing behavior.
How many customer experience managers do you guys know?
A few.
I was just curious because like CX has always been the weirdest like 2-letter thing for because customer CE, but I get
It took me the entire reading of the thing to figure out what CX meant.
There's a time and a place for acronyms, and anyway,
And it's not marketing.
Anyway,
marketing sucks at it. And then you try to talk to AI.
Anyway,
and use CX and DX in the same sentence, and X means different things. Like, yeah.
Anyway,
a word like doesn't even start with E or X. Like transformation is the X. What? Okay.
Whoopsie.
Additional.
We have too many updates to go down this today.
I know, right?
Additional user object capabilities. It's in private beta. The user object now supports additional capabilities that bring it in line with other CRM object types.
If you know, you know.
You can associate the user object with other objects in your data model, pipelines, and segments. Whoa.
Big. Why does it matter? Until now, the user object had limited functionality compared to other CRM objects, making it harder to track how users relate to records across your account. With these updates, you can better visualize how users map to other object types in data models, build pipelines around user records, and segment contacts and companies based on assigned user properties.
Let's go. Don't need 5 drop downs now, user roles to decide who's in charge of what when.
Hang on, we should have like a do I have it? Where's my
where's your hallelujah? Yeah, there it is.
Okay, too many updates. Let's go.
Quick filter bar redesign. The quick filter bar on CRM index pages has been redesigned to make filtering faster, clearer, and easier to manage as your filter set grows.
Why does it matter? Filtering is one of the most common actions across CRM views, and small inefficiencies add up. With the redesigned quick filter bar, active filters now appear at the beginning of the bar, so you always know what's shaping your current view. A more intuitive filter picker makes it easier to find and add the right filters, and a cleaner editing experience helps you manage multiple filters without losing context.
Hit that beta. Go get it.
So are we saying at the beginning of the bar, meaning if it's filtered, it's over here? If that's what's filtering on it? Is that what that means?
I mean,
it's set at the front of the bar.
Now appear at the beginning of the bar.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
I'll have to check that out.
So click on one of these other.
Yeah. Do the top.
Oh, the top one. It literally had blue highlighted. No, the top one.
The top one.
Keep going. We'll get there eventually. Yep. There we go.
There we go.
Yep. It's at the front of the bar. Last activity type. All right.
It is.
I love it.
Whew, it was a journey, but we got there, ladies.
Because that handles the specific problem I've been having. I've always want to click on the filters that is highlighted over here to then do something over here and then take some more clicks. So I like the redesign. Smarter ticket capacity limits that reflect active work. Well, that's good. That's a good plan. We've improved ticket capacity limits to better reflect when agents are actively working, not just when tickets are technically open. With these updates, capacity limits are now based on the work that actually requires agent attention, helping routing make better decisions and ensuring tickets are assigned to agents who truly have capacity.
Now, Casey, hold on before you talk about.
I was ready at that time. I was like actually ready.
Ladies and gentlemen, we're talking about human agents here. Just so everybody knows, we're not talking about AI agents. Specificity wins the day on this one. Okay, Casey, why does it matter?
In real support environments, not every open ticket represents active work. Tickets waiting on customer responses, parked in certain stages, or tied to conversations that have ended can still count towards capacity, making agents look full when they're available. These improvements help reduce unnecessary reassignment and ticket bouncing, prevent agents from being blocked by inactive work, better match how agents experience workload day to day. The result is faster response times, fairer distributions, and more predictable automation.
Yeah, the
Nice.
transparency that they're creating over here is fun to watch. You can learn a lot about how the system works, way more than you can before. I also think the ambiguity of the word agents is probably intentional.
Maybe.
Mobile conversations inbox migration is in private beta. What is it? We're migrating the conversations inbox in the HubSpot mobile app from React Native to a fully native implementation on Android and iOS. This update ensures compliance with new Android memory requirements while unlocking a faster, richer experience through native performance and UI capabilities.
This migration is driven by performance and compliance needs. Compliance, Google has introduced a new 16 kilobyte memory page size requirement for Android apps. Moving to native code, make sure they meet those standards. Better inbox experience for customers. Moving to native removes React Native overhead and enables smoother scrolling, faster loading, and more responsive interactions, especially important for reps who rely on inbox to triage and respond quickly on the go. And reliability. By using platform-specific modern toolkits, we provide a smoother, more stable experience that handles high-volume messaging with less battery drain and faster load times.
That got nerdy quick.
Yeah.
Makes sense.
16 gigawatts. No, kilobytes, whatever it is. Gigawatts. We're going in future time to.
We're going to
migrated
campaigns
inboxes.
analyze tab. That's where we're going. In private beta, last updated April 1st, already a what's changed box on top. Let's hit it first. What is it? A brand new campaigns analyze tab is now available, providing a clear centralized view of performance across all campaigns in one place. Whether you're reviewing a single campaign, a selected group, or all campaigns at once, the new Analyze tab gives you a fast, unified way to compare results and spot trends, with select reports offering deeper AI-powered insights when you drill in. The Analyze tab includes a suite of focused reports grouped into key performance areas like revenue and deals, influence contacts, and engagement by asset. Please note this new tab replaces the campaign's analytics tool altogether, offering deeper insights and more intuitive experience, all within the campaigns tool. No more switching between tools to get a full picture. To further streamline analysis, the Compare Campaigns tool is now directly accessible from the Analyze tab.
Nice.
Putting everything you need in one central location.
I also would like to personally thank Ankur here for a long, what is it? Chris has had a lot of really short ones today.
Right.
So thank you for your work.
Right. Chris needs to do more work on the show.
I know. That's right.
This update specifically matters because until now, seeing how your campaign performance across the board meant jumping between tools, dashboards, and spreadsheets. Metrics were scattered, reporting was manual, and pulling insights took a lot of time. The new Campaigns Analyze tab changes that. It brings all your performance data into a clear, unified view. Whether you're reviewing a single campaign or tracking results across multiple efforts, you can now get the insights you need in seconds.
Very nice. Very nice. Also, Chris, as I was making fun of you, I realized that my words per minute on this show are probably even more lacking than yours, but you know.
We'll get there.
We'll get there.
Progress every day. Page 2 with some of the same updates. Okay. So we'll do our best.
Well, there's a page 3 now.
Yeah,
that wasn't there before.
Like, how does this work? Ankur, help us out, man. Like, who's in charge of product updates? Great. Like, yeah, we got 20. updates here. 3 pages. There's 10 updates per page. What? Okay. Edit balance changing properties on one-time invoices after payment. Chad's excited about this one. What is it? You can now edit balance changing properties on paid and partially paid invoices, including updates that change the total. When an invoice has associated payments, HubSpot recalculates the balance due and status after the edit, so the invoice remains the source of truth.
Why does it matter? Previously, if a paid or partially paid invoice needed to be corrected, teams had limited options and often had to work around the issue outside the invoice workflow. This created friction for billing teams and made it harder to keep records accurate. With this update, teams can make supported invoice changes without starting over. They can adjust line items or on invoices that already have payments applied, clearly see how these edits affect the balance due, and keep the invoice in sync for internal teams and customers. If an updated invoice now has an outstanding balance, the customer can continue through the existing payment flow to pay the remaining amount. That was a lot.
Very nice. Very nice. There's a nice little demo there. Also, by the way, if you're watching this and you're like, who is this Chad that Chris is talking about? It has nothing to do with the polls or presidential elections. The Chad we're talking about is Chad Hahn from Hub Heroes podcast. That's who he was referencing. And yes, he will like that update.
Indeed. And what the audience wants, the audience gets. So thank you for the help, Ankur. Just focus on campaigns, right? So
Today,
we're gonna do that
5 updates.
because there's an update here that's pretty cool. Add scheduling pages to campaigns. You can now add scheduling pages as assets to a campaign. Any meetings booked through that page after it's added will be automatically associated with the campaign, allowing a more seamless way to attribute revenue to meetings booked.
This is pretty good. Meetings are an important campaign touch point, but there's been no automated way to connect them to your campaigns. Previously, you had to manually sift through your meeting library and add relevant meetings one by one. Now meetings are attributed automatically, giving you a more accurate picture of campaign performance without the manual work. I love this.
Yeah. Your next task, Ankur, is whoever you got to talk to put the major update tag on all of your campaign updates.
Major update.
This is a major update.
More. Yeah, then we get to say that more. You know, it's funny because like I'm listening to this happen. I'm watching this. I'm hitting the beta button and I'm like, this is really dope. And then all of a sudden I'm like, are we to the point where we could actually do what I would call a full funnel campaign? Meaning, imagine if in HubSpot there was a button and you could hit it and it was like, create full funnel campaign. And then all of a sudden it would just give you all the things that you're supposed to fill in for the thing that you're about to do, so that you're reporting on marketing, sales, and service for all the boy. I think we're getting there.
I think we're getting there. Might be like half of Spring Spotlight at this point.
Yeah.
And we've got some hard stops, so I'm going to cherry pick my personal favorite from this list. Improvements to the orders object.
Oh, go figure. Wow, that was surprising that Chris got that one.
What is it? You can now use pipeline governance, property conditional logic, and property level permissions with the orders object.
And it happens to be a 1-sentence update for Chris.
Go figure.
Why does this matter? You can now manage your orders with greater precision and control. These changes help you ensure orders move through the correct stages without skipping stages, reduce errors by showing only relevant property options based on user input, protect sensitive data by limiting property access to the right users. This is a fine update. It's good. It's nice. It's fine.
Yeah.
You might have a hard stop, but you're going to click the freaking meeting note taker one before we get out of here. I'm going to tell you that. And at least read the what's changed, because the world should be using that.
For real. Like, no joke, Ankur. these campaign updates should be considered major updates. So it's not just because we love you. It's
major. I just love doing that. I'm sorry. I love doing that.
Meeting note taker. What's changed? We've improved meeting note taker transcripts with automatic language detection, stronger support for multilingual conversations, and higher overall accuracy, especially for non-English meetings.
Let's go.
These updates are already live for all beta users with no action needed on your end. Improvements as of March 30th, 2026. Automatic language detection, stronger support for multilingual conversations, higher quality transcripts, expanded support in Google Meet.
Let's go.
Google Meet recordings now support transcripts in multiple languages beyond English. No action needed on your end. Higher quality feedback. Transcripts. I look forward to enjoying that. Yeah, I mean, the follow-up emails after meetings right now, pretty damn good. Like they're getting real good. Better than the Google note take. Like if you look at notes or the summary and the way that Google goes hard on like, oh, George said this thing really flippantly. So that's an action item. It needs to be done tomorrow. Yeah, no. HubSpot getting really good at this stuff. We'll hit whatever's left tomorrow. Remember, folks, you probably already own the solution you're looking for in HubSpot. And today is definitely campaigns. Sometimes you just need to wake up to it. Join us tomorrow morning live at 7:30 a.m. Central, or catch us anytime on Spotify, Apple Music. Drop your biggest takeaway in the comments and let us know what capabilities you want to wake up to next. Until then, I'm Chris Carolan.
I'm Casey Hawkins.
Wait, I'm confused. HubSpot's going to have more updates tomorrow?
Oh my God.
I'm George B. Thomas.
And this has been Wake Up Customer Platform. Now go build something amazing. Have a great day.
Customer platform, it's time to start the day. Discover all the value you already own. Don't let solutions slip away. Wake up, customer platform. The tools are at your hand. No need to sleep on capabilities that can help your business stand. The answer's right before your eyes. You just need to realize. Wake up, customer platform. And watch your